Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing something a little bit different again today. Gonna be making some other baits here. Here is a bag of a lot of my used baits from this year. Pack of Craws, Z Craws, Kitex. And we're gonna melt them back down and use some bait molds to reuse them. And then we're gonna take some of those fishing. So first step is going to be to separate these by color. So in the magic of editing, you're gonna see these separated into different cups here in just a second. All right, as you can see, got them separated here. Craws, green pumpkin stuff. Most of them separated. There's still even more baits. Here we got our Kitex, our bait fish colors basically, and then our dark, our purples, our dark blues and blacks and purples, bait fish colors, and green pumpkin craw. I think we're gonna start off with the purples, just because it's the smaller one, and I have a mold in mind for the purple. So we're gonna throw them in there, try to find them out there for about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna use the 3-inch Robo Worm for the purple, and to get the stuff out, to get them out and have a cleaner mold, you need some grease, or I like to use cooking spray. That'll work too. You don't need a whole lot to keep them together. Just use a couple of these. Check the temp. Little too warm, but that's all right. Gloves and safety glasses, important. All right, we got that at a good temp. Safety glasses and gloves, because this shit burn you. This stuff will burn you. Door open for ventilation, because you don't want to inhale these fumes. And we're going to inject the Robo Worm. There we go, black and blue, a little bit of purple, Robo Worm. Next, we are going to heat up these bad boys. These ones are going to take a while. We're going to make this is a Z Craw, and this is the TRD Craw. I'll link these molds below. They're fairly inexpensive for singles, especially in the stone. The stone takes a little bit longer to cool than aluminum molds, but I mean, if you're not making a million of these things, then it's not a huge deal. Let's see how the craws turned out. That made what looks to be a pretty nice green pumpkin color there. Good temp. Gloves off. It should be cool enough now. There we go. We got a really nice green pumpkin TRD crawl there. Let's take them out and take a look at them. Yeah, he turned out really nice. Let's take a look at the Z Craw. He turned out really nice as well. All right. And last but not least, let's warm up these these bait fish colored ones here, these old Kitex. I think there's a couple of flukes in there too. We'll warm those up. All right, that looks good temperature wise. Let's turn this into a D-bomb. Or a Ned Bomb, sorry, not a D-bomb. Alright, let's demold this guy. He turned out a bit greener than I was hoping for, but, you know, I guess he could still imitate maybe a bluegill fry or something. Not sure why he turned out so green. There he is. I'm going to make a few more of each of these, enough to take fishing, probably 4 of each. And next time I see you, I will be on the water. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, we're back. We're out on the water now. Got my baits with me. Got 4 each. We're gonna start off with the TRD curl on a Ned rig here and see if we can catch some bass. This is probably gonna be my last open water day of the year. We're getting into late December here. Forecast is calling for highs in the low 30s, nightly lows in the teens here for the next week or 10 days. So I'd say that's probably gonna do it for 2022. But so let's try to end it on a high note here, shall we? Where's the fish? He's not very big. I'm fairly certain of that. Yep, he's not. Little bitty guy. But hey, that recycled Ned rig worked. Let's give the Robo Worm a try out here. Hey guys, we did not end the year on a high note. That was the only fish I caught. Fished for about 2 more hours. Winds were picking up, flurries were picking up, temperatures were dropping. Just not the greatest conditions for fishing, but I thought I'd give it a try anyway. And we were able to caught 1 fish, and we're able to, recycle a bunch of old lures into some new usable ones. If you guys want to check out those lure molds, I'll have them linked down below. But until next time, good luck, stay safe, cheers.